Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Lacquered Up, Morticia, and Pueen Celebration Collection Fireworks Festival. Yep. I've started it off with Lacquered Up, and this is a magnetic polish. It was from Polish Pickup. I do believe it was October. I'm not 100% on that. So here we go. I've already got my base coat on. And we're going to get started here. This is so pretty. Squishy purpleness. And this, I believe, might be my first Lacquered Up polish also. That's one of the things I love about Polish Pickup is you can try so many different indie brands, one-stop shopping, and one nice, cheap shipping charge. Much favorite of mine. So I've got that second coat on. We're going to add just a little bit more because it's magnetic. So I'm kind of doing like 1.5 coats here, or a little bit of a thicker coat. I'm going to hold that magnet over it, and I count to 10 like slow. I sped the video up just a little bit, but I normally do, 10. And then I'm going to top this off with Out the Door by I&M. We'll get it to dry down and get ready to do some playing on this because you guys know I like to play on the nails. This is real pretty by itself though. I am going to hold that magnet over it another 10 seconds or 20 seconds, whatever your number is, and let that kind of, work its magic just a little bit more. And there it is. There's my swatch photo. Here we go with the Pueen Celebration Collection Fireworks Festival. And I'll be using Maniology Fleece. Very pretty. I got my cube stamper out from Maniology and my scraper. And I'm just going to use this corner of the plate. I'm going to use just different bits and pieces of it. Most of the nails are going to look the swirly twirly look that's going on my pointer finger. And I'm going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller. And I'm not going to clean the plate just yet. I'm going to keep on playing. Just move to another part that I hadn't used yet. Just roll it and pick it up and plop it on out of frame. And I'm going to use the star part of the image on my ring fingernail kind of as my accent nail. I know you guys got to laugh when y'all hear me talking about accent nails because y'all know Tina go crazy on these. So we're going to go in with one more for the pinky. And I do love a big buffet plate like this. You can just move around on it and pull images. Now I do clean my plates off with pure acetone and then I wipe them with a paper towel. I'm going to pop in here with a little piece of tape, get up some of this excess polish. You don't have to do this. You can just clean it up with nail polish remover, but I personally like to, go in with the tape first. And then I go in with my cleanup brush. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but my thumb's not painted, and it's because it's just so short. It's making me crazy. I'm going to top this off with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. And once that's totally dry, I'm going to apply Seche Vite today as my final top coat. This used to be my ride or die top coat. I still have quite a bit of it left, so I'm going to use it. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.